Okay, so that's the intro to You Shook Me All Night Long by AC/DC. We have part of a G chord here. We have the G string and then the threes underneath that on the B and E strings. Kind of give it a little shake, a little vibrato. Hold it a little bit. We're going to go. So we're going to do a little chord with the open 3 and a 5 down here on the bottom string. Go to the little 3, and then hit that 3 again. Go to the second string 3, so it's... And then we're going to go... So we're going to slide down the 3 to 2. 3 on the second string. D bass note. Open 2, 3, the D5 chord right there. So we got 3, 4. And then we're going to have maybe a slight bend on this 3 on the D string, but we have a 3, 2, 3 to the open 2, 3 again. And then we're going to go. So I like to use these fingers. I like to slide this 3 to 4 in the D string with the ring finger. And then the 2 and the 3 are still kind of there. Then I'll just take that finger back over here so the 2 and 3 still hold. Okay, so the whole thing is 3, 4. Okay, so we just repeated that first part, and you could have whatever fingers you end up on after the... You can go back to that first finger, whatever finger you want. Okay, then we get into the pre-verse and the verse here. There's a couple ways to do it. Tabs, sometimes we'll say... That's one way to do it. You could do a big G right here. Don't worry about that 2 on the A string, but give it like a... And then you can do a C add 9. So you really only have to move that one finger back and forth, kind of mute the ones you're not trying to hear, you know. But I like to do it like this, where it's 3, mute the A, then open, 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 and I'll go to a regular C chord. I'll use the middle finger bass to get it, where they go back and forth real easy and quick. And then from that one, you're gonna go to the D. So I do it like that, I go. So that was G, and then C, C, G, C, G, D, D5 power chord. So 2, 3, and. Okay, so that one went G, G, D, G, D, back to G. And that's the new one that starts over again. So 2, 3, and. Sometimes I'll hit that A bass with the D chord. You can always add that A bass to a D chord, D5 chord. It sounds good. Okay, so that's our basic thing. Then we're gonna get into a. So we have a little bit of a D sus down here. Some things will say it kind of goes to a G chord there, but it seems like it sticks on D and kind of does that little sus pinky in there to me. So it's like. Chugging the D, sus, kind of a little back and forth. You can kind of do it how you want right there. We get into the chorus, we're gonna go. So here we're gonna have those double 3s down here. We're gonna do the bass and then the chord. 0, 2, 3 on the A string. Kind of hold that 3 for a little bit. Then we're gonna hit the G string open to the 3 on the second. Go right to the 2 on the A string. So it's. So we're going to have the 3, 0, 3 to 2, 0, 3. A couple D chords in there, so it's like 3, 4. And on that one you go 0, 3, 0, back to the beginning. And at one point I kind of thought it was like kind of an A to D bass thing right there. That'd be like. So you can mix it up a little bit in there, right? So we're gonna have another verse. when it gets to the end, do that D, sus. Chorus. Okay, that leads into the solo. So we had a D, sus, hold the D for a while. Okay, so let's look at the solo. We got bend on the 5 on the G string. Can kind of come down a little bit. We're gonna go a little 3 to 3 on the second, 6 on the second, bend again, so it's up and down on that to the 3, 5 to 5, and then 5, 3, 5, 3 on the D string, and then the A string. 1 to big 3, little half step bend on that 3 and the G. So it's 5, 3, 5, little bend on the 3 there. Take your middle finger into the 7 on the G string, 2 6s on the B string. Same thing, 9 with 8s, and then 9, 8, bend to 10. Up and down to the 8, 8 again. Full step bend on that 11. Okay, so let's go back. We got you kind of slide that one down. We're going to jump up to the 18 on the second string. So we're going to have 2 bends on this 18 on the second string. So we have 15, 15, 18, up and down on the 17, go down to that lower 17, kind of hit a chord in these 17s on the 3rd and 2nd strings, 15, bend, so you're going to bend that 17, sometimes I use like the middle finger. Okay, so let's go back just a little bit, we're going to have so we had those bends down to that 17, chords on the 17s and 15s, 17, 15, and then so you got 15 on the second, you're going to bend that 18 on the first string, kind of a little bend on it. Then we have a little half step bend on that 17 to 15, that 17 to 17, 15 to bend the 18, 15, 18 on the second, then ends with, so that's 15 and 17s, like a little half step bend. So this solo is great how he goes from like pentatonic minor into pentatonic major and mixes them up really cool. So the solo, once again, we got Okay, then we're back to a chorus. We're going to do a double chorus. 3, 4. Okay, so it just keeps going on the chorus, and then we're going to get into it. A lot of D chords there at the end. Okay, you shook me all night long. AC/DC, thanks for watching. Tabs with this. Peace out.